Imagine, for a moment, if a tech giant like Microsoft was quietly backing Shiba Inu, the meme coin that's evolved into a serious crypto contender. It sounds far-fetched, almost like something out of a tech thriller, right? But in the fast-moving world of digital assets, even the wildest rumors can spark real excitement. Right now, the crypto world is absolutely buzzing with speculation. Social media is ablaze, and every crypto forum is dissecting the possibility of a secret partnership between Microsoft and Shiba Inu. People everywhere are connecting the dots, analyzing tweets, tracking wallet movements, and sharing theories. This speculation is fueling not just excitement, but also a sense of curiosity and anticipation about what could be brewing behind the scenes. While there's still no official confirmation from either side, the rumor itself highlights a bigger trend. The lines between traditional tech companies and digital currencies are starting to blur in fascinating ways. I'm Laura Shin with Crypto Insider, and today I'll help you separate fact from fiction and explain why this story matters for both crypto enthusiasts and tech followers alike. Shiba Inu isn't just a meme anymore. It's become a massive community-driven project with millions of supporters and a growing ecosystem that's evolving into a serious player in the crypto world. The SHIB Army's passion and relentless drive have pushed the project from a simple internet joke to a full-fledged ecosystem, complete with its own exchange, DeFi tools, and even ambitious plans for a metaverse. If a powerhouse like Microsoft were to get involved, it could be a true game-changer, not just for SHIB, but for the entire crypto space, potentially opening doors to mainstream adoption and new innovations. In this episode, we'll break down SHIB's latest market moves, explore technical upgrades like the much-anticipated Chibarium, and examine how strategic partnerships could impact the project's future. We'll also take a closer look at the SHIB Metaverse, and discuss what a potential Microsoft connection could mean for the future of digital communities and virtual economies. So, join us as we unpack this intriguing story, explore the facts, and consider what it could mean for you, whether you're a crypto investor, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the next big thing in digital innovation. To understand the hype surrounding Shiba Inu, let's take a closer look at its recent price action and what's been driving the excitement. Over the past year, SHIB has captured the attention of both seasoned crypto traders and newcomers, making headlines with its unpredictable moves. SHIB's journey has truly been a roller coaster, marked by rapid surges whenever there's positive news and sharp corrections when the broader market cools off. These dramatic swings have made it one of the most talked-about cryptocurrencies, with investors constantly on edge, waiting for the next big move. What really sets meme coins like SHIB apart from traditional cryptocurrencies is their unique blend of cultural power and community spirit. The SHIB community, often called the SHIB Army, is known for its passionate support and viral online presence. SHIB started as a playful Dogecoin alternative, but it quickly evolved into a global movement. Its clever branding, playful mascot, and the relentless enthusiasm of its supporters have helped it stand out in a crowded market. The energy and creativity of the community keep the project in the spotlight, fueling not just price action but also ongoing innovation. From organizing online campaigns to supporting new features, the SHIB Army is always active. Right now there's a sense of cautious optimism in the air. Investors are watching closely for signs of real progress, while the community remains bullish and vocal across social media and online forums. This constant online buzz and trending hashtags are a key driver of SHIB's ongoing popularity, keeping it relevant even during quieter market periods. Behind the scenes, developers are working hard to add real utility to the project, aiming to transform SHIB from a meme coin into a lasting ecosystem with practical uses and innovative features. This ongoing evolution keeps both new and experienced investors watching closely, eager to see what the future holds for SHIB and its growing ecosystem. With SHIB, people aren't just betting on a coin, they're betting on a movement, a community, and the possibility of redefining what a cryptocurrency can be. For newcomers, meme coin price swings can seem chaotic and unpredictable, almost like a roller coaster ride with no clear end in sight. Prices can skyrocket or plummet within minutes, leaving even experienced traders scratching their heads. Think of SHIB's price like a boat on a stormy sea. News, rumors, and social media chatter are the waves that toss it around. Sometimes, the waters are calm, but more often, they're wild and unpredictable. positive buzz, like a rumored Microsoft partnership or not a big exchange listing, can send prices soaring in a matter of hours. Even a single tweet from a major influencer can spark a buying frenzy. On the flip side, bad news, regulatory crackdowns, or even just a wave of fear can trigger panic selling and sharp drops. The market can turn negative just as quickly as it went up. It's a market driven by emotion. Excitement, fear, and speculation all play a huge role. Traders often react to headlines and rumors rather than fundamentals, making prices even more volatile. Meme coins thrive on popularity, not just utility. A celebrity mention or viral meme can spark a frenzy of buying. Communities rally around these coins, fueling hype and momentum. But popularity fades fast if the community loses interest or a new trend emerges. When the hype dies down, prices can drop just as quickly as they rose, leaving latecomers at a loss. That's why SHIB's team is focused on building real-world uses, not just riding the hype. They're working on projects and partnerships that give the coin lasting value beyond internet trends. Adding utility aims to stabilize the price and create long-term value, making SHIB more resilient to sudden market swings and less dependent on viral moments. The ultimate goal is to make SHIB more than just a passing trend, transforming it into a useful tool for the future, where it can be used for payments, rewards, and more in everyday life. One of SHIB's biggest upgrades is Chibarium, its new Layer 2 network. Picture Ethereum as a jam-packed city street, slow and expensive. Chibarium is a superhighway for SHIB, making transactions faster and cheaper. This upgrade lets developers build games, financial apps, and more on SHIB's network. Every transaction uses bone as gas, and part of the fees burn SHIB, reducing supply. Lower supply could mean higher value over time. Chibarium is the backbone for SHIB's digital economy, moving it beyond meme status. It shows how a community project can evolve into real tech innovation. This leap is why big players might be taking notice. SHIB's shift from token to ecosystem is what makes it so compelling. Shiba Inu is also diving headfirst into the Metaverse, a 3D digital world where users interact, socialize, and explore as avatars. SHIB. The Metaverse aims to be a vibrant hub for its passionate community, not just another virtual space, but a place for creativity and innovation. At South by Southwest, the team showcased immersive digital landscapes and demonstrated virtual land ownership. Users can buy, develop, and monetize digital land within this ecosystem, creating a brand new, thriving virtual economy. This empowers the SHIB army to shape their own experiences, businesses, and even digital identities. The move aligns SHIB with tech giants investing in the metaverse, expanding its use cases and potential. It's more than finance. It's about building a digital world for the community to thrive in. SHIB's metaverse ambitions are central to its long-term vision, shaping the future of digital interaction. In crypto, perception is everything. A single positive mention can move markets. Recent coverage from outlets like Forbes gives SHIB new legitimacy and attracts traditional investors. Strategic partnerships create real-world uses for SHIB, turning it from speculation into a practical currency. Exchange listings on platforms like Coinbase and Binance open SHIB to millions of new users. Each listing boosts liquidity and signals confidence in the project. Positive news, partnerships, and listings create a cycle of growth and attention. That's why rumors of a Microsoft collaboration are electrifying. They could propel SHIB into mainstream adoption. Such a partnership would be the ultimate endorsement. For SHIB, every new connection is a step toward real-world impact. Looking ahead, Shiba Inu faces both big opportunities and real risks. If the team delivers on Chibarium, the Metaverse, and major partnerships, SHIB could cement its place in crypto's top tier. Token burns and new uses could drive long-term value. But crypto is volatile, and SHIB's future depends on execution and innovation. Delays or missteps could erode trust and value. Competition is fierce. SHIB must keep evolving to stay relevant. For new investors, research is key. Understand the tech, the team, and the risks before jumping in. The Microsoft rumors highlight SHIB's growing influence, even if they remain speculation. SHIB's journey is a lesson in the power of community and branding in the digital age. Crypto Insider will keep you updated as this story unfolds.